So here we go, playing against dude. Don't know what he's playing, got no time for looking it up. We're gonna play first, sure. Yeah, this seems good. This seems good, definitely. Gonna play Glinthawk Isle before I play the Mirror. That should be obvious. Okay. Yeah, Flight Spellbomb is always cool. Playing the Idol next turn, Mirror turn after that, that's okay. Oh, playing Rat. Could as well play the Mirror and then the Galvanizer and swing in for more, but this way it seems better. Two Rat, Galvanic Blast open, huh? Activating Glinthawk. Swing in, Flight Spellbomb open, everything's fine. Okay, not much happening, huh? So we use the Spellbomb. That's okay. That was exactly what I was wishing for to draw. Okay. Galvanizer means our Mirror gets stronger. That's exactly how I want to see my deck. That's exactly how I want to see it. Okay, here comes something bad. 4-drop, play Triper Circus. By the way, Galvanizer with a Mirror wearing a heavy Arbalest to be untapped is also a sweet combination. Not as good as the Soliton with Mirror, but oh, wow. That was unexpected. My poor Mirror. Oh, okay. Well, playing Shikari and manually activating the Glinthawk Idol seems like the play. So he's going down to 10, and we haven't yet done that much. Next big thing coming. Wow, the Mega Arrest deck. So now he wasted 2 arrests. Let's see how he reacts on a Soliton. Going down to 6. And lethal on board. Let's see what he does there. Could have as well played the Arbalest and just leaving the Circle bottle open. This would have also been a play. Okay, so this would have been better. And he concedes. Well, it was mulligan to 6, by the way. I just saw that. Look that up. Because he's crying about it would be ridiculous and, well, you know. Typical stuff. Okay, I guess a second stroke rebuttal is necessary against him. Definitely. What's not that good against you? What's not that good? Gas script of a Serpent is alright, but, well, it's too heavy, just too heavy. Let's play it again this way. You start, you don't start,